Are the Facebook insights not loading? Here's how to force your stats to reappear. Are other business tools working or not? Let me know in the comments below. First, switch to Business View. Personal profiles can't access most insights. Clear Cache in Business Suite. Find this under Settings. Then go to Advanced and Clear Cache. Check facebook.com/ad/manager/account settings. Ensure Insights access is enabled. Export Insights as CSV. It often works when the visual dashboard feels still blank. Remove or re-add your page from Business Manager completely. Is it working now or not? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.